Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris, and guess what? I got Miss Bambi with me, and guess where we're going? Shopping!
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Alright, we're gonna come on in. I'm gonna film as much as I can. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna buy from the store based off of what I got at the food pantry. Now, I've already got some ideas in mind. Now, I got tons of pasta, so I'm gonna do a hamburger helper, my own hamburger helper. I'm gonna show you how to make it. I'm also gonna do some pork chops, lots of meat, because we got canned goods, and we got, like I said, pasta and other supplements. And I'm also gonna get some spices. So with that said, let's go shopping. Remember, if the store has an app, download the app. You can download coupons from the store's app, which I've already done. Okay, let's go and let's get some things on sale. Tomatoes, Roma, are 70 cents a pound. Excuse me, 77 cents a pound. I think I'm gonna do that. All right. Another tip, nieces and nephews, when you're getting your corn, shuck it at the store. Reason being, sometimes it can be a little rotten on the inside, like this one. Okay, that's not good. Look at your corn on the inside before you buy it. Okay, all right. Now we're off. The greens, yeah, there's greens. Well, they look good, so I'm gonna get some. All right, $1.29 a pound, but hey, I'm gonna get some. All right. Well, produce is not cheap, but I think I'm gonna get 3 limes and maybe a couple lemons, and I'm gonna show you what you can do with some watermelon. Yep, we're gonna do that. Grab us a bag. I'm also gonna get some fresh garlic. It's only 99 cents. So yeah, we're gonna get 2 bulbs of that. All right, guys, I've already downloaded the app, and they have $1.99 pork chops. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes. So, jumbo chicken thighs are $1.69, but quarters are $1.19. So guess what I'm gonna do? I got a knife. I could chop them up. All right. Now, nieces and nephews, I am gonna treat myself. Since the T-bone steaks are $5.99 a pound, I am going to get one. In fact, I'm gonna get this one right here. Oh, yes, I am. You live once. All right. Oh, look, nieces and nephews, I found some pork chops, assorted ones on sale for $1.69. Guess what? Yep, I'm changing them. We're gonna grab these. And we're also going to grab these. They look great. And then I think we're going to grab these. See, it pays to look around and shop around. And I'm going to put the other ones back. Haha. Woohoo! All right. I'm going to head out to the checkout counter and see you at Uncle Chris's kitchen. All right. Nieces and nephews, I am back from the store, and boy, am I tired. It is hot outside. All right, we're going to start from right to the left, and I'm going to show you what I got. Now, I got 3 packs of the chicken. 3 packs. because it was on sale for $1.19 a pound. So that was cheaper than the thighs, as you saw. I got a knife, I can cut them up. I got some smoked meat. I got some steaks. They were on sale. I got 2 packs of the steaks. I got 2 packs of the country ribs. They were on sale for $1.99, and they are so meaty. I also got 2 things of mushrooms. This is the green chilies, but I do have 2 of the mushrooms. I got, I believe, 4 of the green chilies. They were on sale for 5 for 4. Got the yams. Okay, they weren't on sale, but I had to get some. Look at all this meat I got. Oh, huge thing of ground beef. It was $2.99 per pound, so I got it. The lemons, the Vidalia onions, tomatoes, my limes. See my limes? Yeah. Oh, got the 2 heads of garlic. That's going to be quite handy. I have a ton of collard greens. They were on sale as well. Got my corn, as you saw. You saw how I showed you how to do that. I got some broccoli, 2 things of butter. I've got 2 packs of cheese. They were 2 for $5, so I got them. These were 2 for $3, so I got these. Should have probably just got some more of those, but only had 1 coupon. Now, here's the rest of my green chilies. Yep. Sour cream. The other thing of mushrooms. Some more candied yams, and I got some beef broth, unsalted. I'm gonna make stroganoff tonight. Yep, hamburger helper stroganoff. I'm gonna show you how to do that without using hamburger helper. Got some taco mix. I got 3 of those. I also got some onion powder. This was on sale. Sugar was on sale. And I believe that's about it. Now, let me see here. Do I have the, yes I do. All right. I spent a total of $146.98. Let's see how much I saved. Oh, by buying everything on sale and having the app, I saved $54.70. You see that? Always download the apps from the stores, all right? That helps you in the long run. But look at all the meat I've got. Now this is a stock up. This is my grocery haul. I'm going to freeze most of this and unthaw it as I need it. Make some dishes and freeze them too. And I also help out, as you know, my sister and little Jay. And I also do meals for people in the neighborhood that can't get out. Now, stock up. Use your freezer. Get plenty of what you need, okay? I'm going to hit the food banks, and that will supplement the rest. And I've already got those beans, so that's going to complement taco night. And I'm going to make that hamburger helper tonight and show you how to do that. There's plenty of pasta. I'm also going to do the baked spaghetti. So this ground beef is going to make several meals that I prepare beforehand and just freeze. Okay? All right. Now, if you're watching my video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. I got some really cool ones coming up. And with these limes and lemons, I've got some frozen watermelon, and I'm going to show you how to make some of the best lime watermelon aid and lemon watermelon lemonade. That's going to be good. All right, y'all. Till next time, and please let me know what I can make for you. Ask me what I can make for a friend or anybody. If you got a question on how to make something, I'll let you know. All right? All right. Till next time.